Just because you're presenting data doesn't mean you need to be boring. I was recently watching Hans Rosling's TED Talk again, and I was blown away by the way he presented his graph. The link's in the comments if you want to check it out. First of all, he did everything wrong, right? He put his graph up on the screen and then he turned his back to the audience, which you learn in every presentation class you're not supposed to do. And then he started showing his graph, but he was explaining it with such passion in his voice. He was jumping around and getting excited. And the whole crowd rips into a spontaneous ovation. And this is probably the first time ever someone's gotten a spontaneous ovation for showing a graph. But it was because he was so passionate and so excited and so invested in giving us this. The need for us to understand this graph and the consequences of it was so important that he threw everything in there and inspired us. And it stuck with all of us who watched it. So maybe you're not going to go full Hans Rosling, but even if you go a little bit of the way there, your presentation about data is going to be so much more exciting. And we might actually walk away with your big idea, understanding why you wanted to show us that data. So let it out. Let out your passion. Inspire us.